Hey, what's up guys, my name is Swapnil Srivastava and welcome back to YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will show you that how to run the Windows 10 on Android phone. So previously I shown different methods and there was a method I shown you that how to use it using the app on fly. So today in this video I'm going to show you the similar method but with a different source. So I'm going to use a different sort of the website for the same purpose. So I'm going to use the Windows 10 on Android phone. I'm going to run different Windows software for you and I'm going to show you that how can you just save that virtual machine and save your files on that. Okay, so this is going to very easy for because you're not going to pay any sort of the amount for that. It is a free service. So you simply have to just click on the website and just click on the run and it will start a Windows 10 on Android phone, and you can easily install any sort of the exe file or Windows file or like any sort of the game, and you can easily install and play it with that. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting any time. So here you can see guys, I'm on my smartphone. So first of all, go to description, you'll find a link and just copy that link and open any of your browser. Like I'm going to use Chrome here and just paste that link in your browser. Okay, so just hit enter. Okay, so it will open something like this. So basically this is like an ad page in between that site. So simply click on this, I'm not a robot, and click on back. If it shows some sort of the ad, click on this again, so it will just check it. So make sure that this will completely as checked. Now just slide down, click on the click here to continue, just click on back again if it open any sort of the ad, and here you can see it will start a timer. So you have to wait here for like 10 seconds. So let the timer to complete. Here you can see now it's showing 0 second. Just slide down and just here you'll find the get link option. Click on this and click on the back again. So you can see now you are on this site. So basically that site was like an ad site, so you have to simply skip the ads and click on the get link. It will open the site like this. Okay, so just make sure that you follow along with me as I shown you in this video. So after when you come to this site, click on the start. Now just slide down. Here you can see it's taking some time to load the virtual machine. So basically as this is in a free service, so you have to just manage the ads and just wait for some time in the queue to make sure that you get the Windows 10 on your Android phone. So here you can see it's showing the OK started successfully. So now what you have to do, click on the enter. So you can see it's starting the Windows 10 emulator. So it will take around 10 to 15 seconds to just start the Windows 10 emulator. So here you can see it's showing the connected to OnWorks, and here you can see the default password for root user is 123456. So if you want to use any sort of the administrator or root app, you can use this password to launch it. So you have to just wait for 15 to 10 seconds, and as of now there is not a lot of the user of this site, so you will not have to wait more than 10 to 15 seconds. But if in case the traffic increase, so it may be possible you have to wait for like 30 seconds. Okay, so now let me give you a full demo of this virtual machine. So first of all, let me open the Windows 10 start menu and see what are the softwares comes pre-installed in it. So first of all, you can see you will find the Firefox web browser and the full LibreOffice suite. So you will find all the office suite like LibreOffice Excel, LibreOffice PowerPoint, LibreOffice Word. So for any sort of the official documentation work you can use it. So you will not need to download anything. So you simply just launch the VM machine and you will get all the things pre-installed. Now first of all, let me open the Firefox web browser to check what are the internet connection speed here. So let me open any web page here. So I will click on the YouTube to check that how quickly the YouTube opens here. So what I will suggest, if you want to use it for any heavy purpose, so simply use an external keyboard. So use an OTG and connect an external keyboard here. Okay, so now let me close the Firefox and just launch any other software. So let me start the start menu and launch LibreOffice PowerPoint. So I will click on this and here you can see it's opening up. So it's fully open. So if you want to use it for any official purpose or for just editing any documents file to create a Word file or Excel file or PowerPoint file, you can use it. and as you saw that it is not going to take more than 20 to 30 seconds to launch. So if in case you just forgot your PC at home, and if you just want a quick solution to just use any sort of the documents file, so you can simply just open this site and just use it. And if you are a programmer or a student, you can also use it for like any type of educational purpose. You can use it for the coding. And one thing you have to also make sure that if you want to save the state of this virtual machine, you have to create an account on this site. And after you have to click on this machine option. So first of all, let me close the LibreOffice and show you the machine option. Here you can see. So here you can see, so you will find an option to pause the virtual machine, reset, or power down, or quit. So if you want to save the state, you have to make sure that you create an account, and when you click on the pause, after that it will save the virtual machine state. And if you just want to use it for like 5 to 10 minutes without saving any state, you can simply launch it and just close the browser. So if you want to use or save the all the files or the virtual machine state, so make sure you just make an account and click on the pause. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you like it, and this video was like an addition to a previous video on which I shown you how to use the Windows 10 using the app on fly. So this is the second method, so I hope you like it. So thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.